Son Homestead. Today we're going to make peppermint patties. This is a Christmas favorite and it's very nice to give to your friends and family as a gift for Christmas as well. Our peppermint patties will have room temperature butter, heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla, and peppermint oil. Follow this video to see the steps that we use to prepare peppermint patties. First, we need to put all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. This can be mixed by hand or with a mixer. A mixer works best, but use whatever's convenient. Mix the ingredients until the texture resembles Play-Doh. It will be slightly sticky, but not so sticky that it sticks to your hands. Place the dough on a cookie sheet that has been previously lined with parchment paper. Lay another sheet of parchment paper on top of the dough. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin to the desired thickness. Thicker is better when we begin to cover them with chocolate. Once the dough has been completely rolled out to the desired thickness, we need to put it into a cool place. The freezer is the best, but we use the outdoors since it was 21 degrees. Wait for approximately 10 minutes. Bring the dough out of the freezer and remove the top piece of parchment paper. Cut the dough into desired shapes. We have found that the larger patties are better to be able to handle and they stay cooler longer. Plus, they look more like a peppermint patty. Cut quickly as the dough will warm up fast. When the dough begins to get warm, it will need to be returned back to the freezer. It may take numerous times to complete the cutting process. When the dough begins to get sticky, it has to be cooled again. All the cutouts from the dough need to go in the freezer to stay cool. Melt the chocolate and add a little oil to help create a smooth and glossy texture by thinning out the chocolates. Quickly put the cutouts into the chocolate. As you can see, the larger patties cover much better. Merry Christmas and thanks for watching.